Good morning students, class 8. Today we will start exercise 6.5, but before that you must understand the concept, okay? One very small thing, suppose it is written 10 raised to the power 5. If I want to break it, if I want 10 cube, so I can write it like this: 10 raised to the power 3 into 10 raised to the power 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Suppose somewhere is written like this: b raised to the power 7, okay? And I want to take b raised to the power 5, means b5 I want to take. So I can take like this, I can break this thing. And what is left? 5. 2 is left? 2. Okay? It means we can also do these kinds of things, and this concept will be used in solving exercise 6.5. Okay? If you will see part A, in question number 1, part A of exercise 6.5, you will see it is AB raised to the power 6 upon AB. We have to solve it, we have to simplify it. A is cancelled by A. So what is left? This. So if I will take out 1B from here, means from numerator, then how many B's are left? B raised to the power 5 upon B. So this thing will be cancelled and this is our answer. Okay? Note it. Now see part B, number is solved by number. 4 3s are 12. So what is left? 3. If you will see in denominator, its power is 2. So we have to break this thing, okay? So it will be x square into x raised to the power 8. 8 plus 2, 10. And I have to take out one y also from here. Y. So how many y are left? Y raised to the power 4 upon x square y. X square is cancelled by x square, y is cancelled by y. So what is left? 3 x raised to the power 8 into y raised to the power 4. Okay? Note it. Now see part C. Minus is cancelled by minus. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now we have to cancel b also. So we will take out 1b from here. So 3 is already here. A cube, 1b we will take out. So what is left? B square. 2 plus 1, 3 upon b. This b is cancelled by b. So 3a cube b square. Okay? This is our answer. Students, part D and E do by yourself. They are just like part ABC. I will do part F. Okay? It is 60 x square y square z square a cube upon minus 10 x square z square a. 10 1s are 10, 10 6s are 60. X square is cancelled by x square, z square is cancelled by z square. So what is left? 6 y square a cube. This minus will come in numerator, no problem. And what is left? A. Okay? So we have to take out 1a from here. Minus 6 y square into a square upon a. A is cancelled by a. So we have our answer minus 6 y square a square. Okay? Note it. Now see question number 2. In this, how to solve it? We have to just take out the common from the numerator. See, in variables nothing is common, but in numbers 9 and 12 both come in the table of 3. Okay? So we will take out 3. So what will left? Minus 3 a square minus 3 4s are 12 b square upon 3. 3 is cancelled by 3. We can still take out something common. We can take out minus sign. If I will take out minus sign from this bracket, then the terms sign will change. Minus will become positive. This is also positive. Okay? In this way you have to do question number 2. Note it. Okay students, now see part B. In part B, what is common? From numbers we can take out common 2, and from alphabets x square x, so we can take out x. Okay? 2 8 is 16, 1x will be here, 2 is outside, 1x is outside, y upon minus 3x y. X is cancelled by x. Now nothing is getting cancelled, so answer will be This minus sign will come in numerator, minus 2 8x minus y upon 3. Okay. In the same way we will do part C. See what is common here. From numbers we can see 14 and 21 both came in the table of 7. Okay, so we will take outside 7, and 1a and 1b can be taken outside as a common. So what is left inside? 7 2s are 14, a, b is outside, plus 7 3s are 21, a outside, b outside, upon minus 7 ab. 7 is cancelled by 7, a is cancelled by a, b is cancelled by b. This minus will come in numerator. So answer will be minus 2a plus 3. Okay, note it. Students, one more thing. Here y is also left. Okay, so write this thing also. I forget. Now it is okay. Okay. Students, now see part D. In part D, how to solve it? We will take out minus sign common. 18 and 27 both came in the table of 9, so 9 will be common. It is p cube, so we will take out p cube common from numerator, and we need r cube also, so that they will get cancelled. So we will take out minus 9 p cube r cube common. Minus is outside, so the sign of both the terms will be changed. 9 2s are 18, p cube q cube r, plus 9 3s are 27 p square upon minus 9 p cube r cube. This is cancelled, p cube is cancelled, r cube is cancelled. So 2 p cube q cube r plus 3 p square is cancelled. Student, this is a method of doing the division in these cases. So you have to complete this exercise by yourself now. I am just explaining question number 3. In question 3 it is saying if 6x square copies weights this much, find the weight of one copy. It means, I am just rubbing it. In question number 6, it is 6 or 3, sorry, it is question number 3. We have to do the division, okay? It means 2y x raised to the power 5 minus 30 x cube divided by 6x square, and by this way we will get the weight of one copy. Okay, so in question 4 also we have to do division. In question 5 also we have to do the division. If you will see question number 4, it is saying if the area of rectangular field is this much. We all know the area of a rectangle, it is L into B. Okay, area is given to us. Area is how much? 14 x cube minus 35x equals to, length is given to us, it is 7x meter, and we have to find out the breadth. So we have to transpose 7x to here, so it will go in, it will go in division. It means the value of B will be 14x cube minus 35x upon 7x. Now just do the division, you will get your answer. In the same way you have to do question number 5. Okay, so complete exercise 6.5 in a very proper way in your fair copies. Thank you.